Okay, at the Shanti Maurice on the beautiful south coast of the island. Always love it down here. It's a bit wild, and I mean, nothing wild about the bathroom here. It's absolutely stunning. Big, huge room. Obviously, we've got the usual safe and all the rest of it. A little study area and showers and bath, and we come into the bedroom, and there we go. They've got some golfing stuff here. So what have we got? We've got the Shanti Maurice golf balls, tees and everything else, because they got a partnership with the Avalon just up the hill. Absolutely wonderful course. Peter Matkovich designed. Marcella and I played it last year. We haven't played it this year. They've got some water bottles, very green. Skip the difference, go green. I'm just going to have a quick read of this as show you around the rest of the room. I'm in huge rooms, beautiful, one of the prettiest rooms you can imagine. There we go, just move back. And what are they saying? Go green and stay healthy with the water in the bottle is a welcome gift on your beach days. So you can have purified water on the go at the fountains, at the beach kiosk, the boathouse, the gym and the kids club. So it's a great idea. I love that. You've got your water bottle and you can just fill it up as you go and then take it home at the end of your trip. Lovely balcony area, sit out chair, and the very pretty beach in front of us. I mean, the whole resort's very elegant. I'll begin some more videos as we around the place, but it's a very pretty resort with the reef not too far and breaking onto rocks. Hopefully get up near the villas as well. They've got some superb villas. I mean, we've really been looked after really well. Saeed and his team are looking after us really well. So we're just about to meet with him at the rum room, the rum restaurant, and he said something about a rum tasting, and we've already had some champagne and beer, and so tell you what, I'm going to sleep well tonight after rum as well. So there we go. Shanti Maurice, absolute heaven.